In today's video, we will be taking a look at a few things you can do which will hopefully resolve any issues you are having with Chrome. Maybe your Chrome keeps crashing, maybe it keeps freezing. With a bit of luck, one of these methods will help resolve that. But before we get started, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. The first thing you need to do is open up Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, we now need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. And you now need to go down to Help. We now need to click on About Google Chrome, and we now want to make sure we have the latest Chrome update installed. And as you can see, it does say I have the latest update. So straight away we can rule out that issue. But if yours did find an update, let it install the update, restart Chrome, and then see if that resolved the issue you're having. If you're still having problems with Chrome, then the next thing we want to do is click on the three dots again in the top right hand corner. You now need to go down to History, and we then need to click on History again. You now need to click on Clear Browsing Data on the left hand side, and you then need to go on to Advanced. We now need to change the time range to all time, and you now need to select all the options, but just remember, if you have got passwords saved and stuff like that, you will need to re-sign into your accounts, so make sure you do know your login details. If you don't, then you could always deselect the password and other sign-in data, and also the auto-filled form data, but I do recommend you keep those options selected, just because it might be causing you the problems. We now need to go ahead and press Clear Data, and then you can close down Chrome and open it again and see if that resolved the issue you're having. If that didn't fix the problem you're having, then the next thing we need to do is click on the three dots again, and you then need to click on Settings. I am already on the settings page, but if you did close down Chrome and open it again, you need to get back onto this screen. Once you're on the settings page, we now need to scroll all the way down, and you then need to click on Advanced. We now need to scroll down even more until you find this option here, which says Hardware Acceleration when available. You need to make sure this option is either on or off. If yours is off, which will look like that, grey, turn it on. If yours is blue and it's turned on, turn it off and then relaunch Chrome and see if that resolved the issue you're having. If that didn't fix the problem you're having, then the next thing we want to do is open up the settings again by clicking on the three dots and then clicking on Settings. And you now need to go to the left hand side menus, and we now want to click on Extensions at the bottom. You now need to just disable any extensions you have on your Chrome. For example, I have 4 at the moment. I just need to simply change these to grey so they are disabled, and then once you have disabled the extensions, restart Chrome and see if that resolved the issue you're having. If unfortunately that did not fix the problem you're having, then the next thing we want to do is go back to the settings page, clicking on the three dots and then Settings, and you then want to go all the way to the bottom under Advanced again, but this time we want to click on Clean Up Computer, and this will now scan our computer for any harmful software. I'm actually going to just deselect this option at the bottom, but we now need to go ahead and press Find, as we may have some harmful software like malware or a virus or something on our system that is causing Chrome issues. So we want to get rid of that problem. Also, if you do have an antivirus program on your computer, or if you're using Windows 10 Defender, go ahead and do a scan in those programs as well, just to reassure ourselves that we do not have a virus or malware or something like that on our machine. Once this has finished scanning, it will then let us know if it did detect any issues with our machine. I'm actually going to cancel this and just press back. because the next thing we want to do is go back to this settings page and go to advanced if you are still having problems, and we now want to click on restore settings to their original defaults. And I'm going to deselect this option to help Chrome better, just because I'm doing a tutorial. But this will restart everything in Chrome. As you can see here, reset your starter page, new tab page, search engine. Anyway, you get the picture here. It will reset everything, including your history, your passwords, the lot. You then need to go ahead and press reset settings. But like I said, just remember you will lose everything. There we go. Once you have reset, go ahead and close down Chrome, open it again, and see if that resolved the issues you're having. If unfortunately that didn't resolve the problems you're having with Chrome, there is nothing else to do but to try reinstalling Chrome. So we will want to uninstall Chrome. To uninstall Chrome, all you need to do is right click the start menu icon and then click on apps and features. And you then need to go ahead and search for Chrome by typing in Chrome, clicking on Chrome, and then clicking uninstall and uninstall. You can go ahead and select also delete your browsing data, just because we want to be sure we are completely removing Chrome. But just remember, you will also lose all your bookmarks and everything unless you were signed into a Google account. I'm going to go ahead and press uninstall. As you can see, I have now completely removed Chrome, which means you can now click on the link that's in the description below to go onto Google Chrome's website to download Chrome. You can also deselect these options or select whichever ones you want. I'm just going to deselect them for a second. And then we can go save file and now run the setup file. And there we go. As you can see, I now have a new fresh install of Chrome. And with a bit of luck, that would have resolved any problems you are having. I hope this video did help. If one of the methods did help resolve an issue you were having with Chrome, then please comment below and let everyone know below what problem you were having with Chrome and which method helped fix it. And also don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.